If you're searching for an air purifier that not only cleans the air, but also eliminates odors and harmful pollutants, look no further than the Winix Air Purifier with True HEPA, PlasmaWave, and Washable AOC Carbon Filter. This powerful air cleaner is the perfect addition to any home, whether it's a small apartment, a medium-sized living room, or a large kitchen. Combining advanced technology with high-efficiency filters, the Winix Air Purifier promises to deliver cleaner, fresher air for you and your family. Let's explore why this air purifier is one of the best on the market and how it can transform your living environment. Key features of the Winix Air Purifier. 1. 3-stage air cleaning system, comprehensive filtration at its best. The Winix Air Purifier sets itself apart with its robust 3-stage air cleaning system, which ensures maximum purification. The process starts with the Washable AOC Carbon Filter, made from activated carbon granules that are highly effective at trapping offensive odors from smoke, cooking, and other household sources. Following this, the True HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne pollutants, such as dust mites, pet dander, and pollen, down to 0.3 microns. Lastly, the PlasmaWave technology works at a molecular level to neutralize viruses, bacteria, chemical vapors, and other pollutants, all without producing harmful ozone. Unlike many purifiers that stop at filtering air, Winix goes further by neutralizing pollutants on a molecular level. 2. PlasmaWave Technology, advanced air cleaning. Beyond the ordinary, what sets the Winix Air Purifier apart is its innovative PlasmaWave technology, which acts as a permanent filter to break down pollutants without the harmful byproducts of other air purification methods. PlasmaWave creates hydroxyls to neutralize odors, chemical vapors, and allergens. It's safe, effective, and continuously works to keep your air fresh and clean, making it an excellent choice for families concerned about indoor air quality. Imagine an air purifier that not only captures pollutants but breaks them down at the molecular level. That's the power of PlasmaWave. 3. True HEPA Filter. Superior filtration for allergen-free air. Allergens can be a nightmare, especially for those with asthma or allergies. The True HEPA filter in the Winix Air Purifier captures even the smallest particles that often trigger symptoms, such as dust mites, pollen, pet dander, and mold spores. With 99.97% filtration efficiency, you'll notice a significant improvement in air quality, making it easier to breathe and enjoy your space. 4. Washable AOC Carbon Filter. Odor elimination made easy. The Washable AOC Carbon Filter is a standout feature, providing long-lasting odor control that you won't find in many other purifiers. Made from activated carbon granules, this filter efficiently absorbs odors from cooking pets, smoke, and more. The best part? It's washable, meaning you can maintain its effectiveness over time without constantly buying replacements. This not only saves money, but also ensures your air purifier remains at peak performance. A washable carbon filter means ongoing savings and sustained performance. Breathe easier without breaking the bank. 5. Smart sensors and auto mode. Hands-off air quality management. Winix takes the hassle out of air purification with its smart sensors and auto mode. These sensors continuously gauge the air quality in your space and adjust the fan speed accordingly. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or just going about your day, the purifier works in the background, automatically adapting to keep your air clean. For nighttime use, the sleep mode quietly cleans the air while you rest, ensuring a peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. Set it and forget it. Winix's smart sensors do all the work for you, adjusting on the fly to keep your air pristine. 6. Designed for medium to large rooms. Perfect for any home environment. With a CADA rating suitable for rooms up to 360 square feet, the Winix Air Purifier is perfect for medium to large spaces. Whether it's a child's bedroom, a family room, or a kitchen, this purifier is equipped to handle the job. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any home decor, making it both a functional and stylish addition to your living space. No matter the room size, Winix delivers high-quality air cleaning that adapts to your needs. Why choose the Winix Air Purifier? The Winix Air Purifier combines advanced filtration technologies with user-friendly features, making it one of the top choices for improving indoor air quality. Its 3-stage cleaning system effectively tackles dust, allergens, odors, and pollutants, ensuring that the air you breathe is as clean as possible. The combination of a washable carbon filter, True HEPA filter, And PlasmaWave Technology offers a comprehensive approach that many other purifiers can't match. Is the Winix Air Purifier worth it? Absolutely. The Winix Air Purifier provides a high level of air cleaning performance that's perfect for families, pet owners, allergy sufferers, or anyone looking to improve their indoor environment. Its smart features like auto mode and sleep mode make it easy to use, while the advanced filtration system ensures your home remains a safe and healthy place. Plus, with washable components, it's a cost-effective choice that saves money in the long run. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.